Today we are going to learn about Excel dashboards. Excel dashboards, it's not just like creating a normal table or something like charts it is a combination of all the tools, all the charts, graphs, pies, tables, slices, everything on a single screen. Now the introduction of dashboards. A dashboard is an easy to read, often single page real time user interface showing a graphical representation of the current status and historical trends of an organization's key performance indicators to enable instantaneous informed decision to be made at a glance. Creating a dashboard in Excel is not the same as creating a standard table driven analysis. It is attempting it is tempting to jump right in and start building away. But a dashboard requires far more preparation than a typical Excel report. It calls for closer communication with business leaders, stricter data modeling techniques, and the following of the certain best practices. It is helpful to be familiar with fundamental dashboard concepts before venturing off into the mechanics of building your own. A dashboard is visual interface that provides at a glance view. So generally, if you have a very huge data all messed up, you can and somebody has told you to just make a visual representation, or your boss has ordered you to sort it and everything. So you can always take that data, sort it, and make a very beautiful and very easily understandable dashboard by using such tools. Next is dashboard design principles. Keep it simple. Always keep your dashboard very simple and easy to understand. It should not be very messy with hundreds of charts that nobody can understand it. It should be include charts, but not too much. It should not be too much congested. Don't use too bright colors, or it should be a formal. It should look formal. Don't turn your dashboard into a data mart. Like I told you, don't put so many different types of tools in it, using like chart, pies, line chart, or a spark line. Don't put everything into one single dashboard. You need to understand what will you need according to your data to be put in that. Forget about the fancy formatting. We need to do formatting of a dashboard, but not too fancy that it looks very gaudy, and it diverts a reader's mind. So keep it simple and classy. Skip the unnecessary chart junk. If you're keeping a chart, and don't congest it too much. Don't put so many names and labels. So we'll use some such tools that your dashboard will look very nice and very formal and very easy to understand. Limit each dashboard to one viewable page or screen. Dashboard itself tells you that it we have to keep it in a single sheet, the and in fact only that part of the sheet which is viewable to us. The person don't has it should not be like he should not be it should not be that a person has to scroll all the time till the bottom, and change go to different tabs to see the data, but it should be in a single viewable sheet. Although it isn't always the easiest thing to do, it is best to see all the data on one page or screen. You can compare sections more easily. You can process cause and effect relationship more effectively, and you rely less on short-term memory. When a user has to scroll left, right, or down, these benefits are diminished. Furthermore, users tend to believe that when information is placed out of normal view areas that require scrolling, it is somehow less important. Use layout and placement to draw focus. As discussed earlier, uh, only include measures that support your dashboard's goal. However, just because all measures on your dashboard are significant, they may not always have the same level of importance. In other words, you will frequently want one component of your dashboard to stand out from others. Instead of using bright colors or exaggerated sizing differences, you can leverage location and placement to draw focus to most important components of your dashboard. For example, researchers like if you if you have made a dashboard, the sales figure, you want to show the main sales figure in the front, so place it in such a way that when a person look at your dashboard, the first look should be there. This is the important thing to look at. Then place the other things accordingly. Next, as this now format numbers effectively. Now the like we have seen earlier, you use lots of numbers in your dashboard. Some of them will be in charts while others will be in tables. Remember that every piece of information on your dashboard should have a purpose. It is important that you format your numbers effectively so your users can understand the information they represent without confusion or hindrance. Now, some guidelines are: always use commas, use decimals, and dollar symbol wherever necessary to make it visible, like this is a percentage, this is the rupees, dollar sign, the amount is currencies. Then format very large numbers to thousands or million places. For instance, instead of displaying a very big number, you can format the number to, like example, you have written 16 million, some big number. Instead of that, you can just change the format to 16M. There are options for formatting which we'll learn it further in while we start with doing making our dashboards.